Unlocking the meaning of lock your position. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're going to explore a phrase that you might have heard but might not fully understand. Lock your position. This expression is rich in meaning and usage, and by the end of this video, you'll be equipped to use it confidently in your conversations. So, let's get started. Lock your position is a versatile phrase used in various contexts. At its core, to lock means to secure something firmly in place, and a position can refer to a physical location, a stance on an issue, or a role within a group or organization. When combined, the phrase often means to secure one's current status or situation, ensuring no movement or change occurs. In the workplace, in a professional setting, lock your position might be used to suggest securing your role within a company or team. It implies making oneself indispensable or ensuring that one's job role is secure against changes or competition. In investments and trading, in the world of finance, this phrase can refer to securing a particular stance in the market. For traders, locking your position might mean fixing a buy or sell status to avoid any losses due to market fluctuations. In personal development, on a personal level, lock your position could be used metaphorically to talk about securing one's beliefs or decisions firmly, not allowing external opinions to sway one's stance. 1. In the workplace, after completing that successful project, I really feel like I've managed to lock my position in the company. 2. In investments, given the volatility in the market, I decided to lock my position with that stock yesterday. 3. In personal development, despite the criticism, she locked her position and continued on her chosen path. Lock your position is a powerful phrase that encapsulates the idea of securing one's status, stance, or decision firmly. Whether in professional settings, personal development, or even in financial markets, understanding and using this phrase can add depth to your English conversations. We hope this video has illuminated the meaning and usage of lock your position for you. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more insightful content on English language learning. Stay tuned, and don't forget to lock your position in learning English by subscribing to our channel.